Let me show you how to import brushes in Adobe Photoshop. First, open the Adobe Photoshop. Create a file. And open the Tools panel. And click on Brush tool. And click on the brush size. There you can see a setting symbol. Click on that. At the bottom you can see Import Brush. Click on that. Open the folder where the brush file is downloaded. And click Load. I imported the Moon brush. I will show you some samples from Moon brush. Click 3 times. Look how beautiful it is. That's it. This is how you import brushes in Photoshop. Subscribe for more tutorials.